You think building an artificial island is just about dumping some sand in the sea? Not at all. It's much more complicated than that. The first thing you need to do is prevent seawater from entering. If you don't do that, construction will be impossible. This is where something called a cofferdam comes into play, which is a method that starts with removing the soft clay from moving the seabed and then piling up sandbags and rocks around the area to outline the island. This method is slow and requires a lot of effort, but if it's a small island, there's a faster way. They use giant steel pipes that they drive into the seabed and fill with sand to secure their position. Then they install curved steel plates between them and fill these gaps with sand. Once the circle is closed, they pump the water out, and that's how they create what's called a cofferdam. But if it's a large island, this method isn't enough. Here, we use a technology called caisson, which are huge concrete boxes prepared on land and then sunk to the area where they will build. They clean the seabed of clay and lay down layers of sand and gravel, covering them well to create a solid base. After that, they lower the concrete box into place and fill it with sand and rocks to secure it. Once the circle is closed, you have a barrier to prevent water, and you're ready to start filling. If the island is close to shore, they bring sand and gravel from the land, but if it's far out in the sea, it's better to use this huge ship. This ship sucks sand from the seabed and sprays it inside the cofferdam under high pressure, and this is a faster and cheaper method. But even when the sand reaches the required height, the island is still not ready. You need to compact it layer by layer, and each layer is rolled over with heavy equipment to prevent it from sinking or collapsing. Then, in the end, they add more sand and gravel. They cover it well, and then reinforce it with huge rocks to prevent the waves from eroding the edges of the island. This step is crucial as it protects the island and allows it to last for many years. Finally, if you liked the video, hit like, share, and follow me for more. Thank you.